That video was helpful. What, man? This dude's over here jumping around like a little schoolgirl. Can I show her? Can I show her? Show her what, dude? Who? Cardi B, of course. I mean, she's got them long fingernails. I'm not really into her music, but it's got to be a real problem when she needs to go wipe. I guess, with them long fingernails, it would be a problem with her wiping. And not to mention that genuinely large ass that could literally block the sun. I'm sure it is. I'm sure she'd tell us that she did not have a problem wiping, but she'd be a liar, and I'd take a DNA test up underneath them fingernails. But I got this thing for her to help her out, and it's called the Robo Wipe. And how you do this, Cardi, is you put this, you fix it. It's got all this stuff in here. It shows you instructions right here. Show you how to put this thing on your toilet seat, and you don't have to worry about getting none of that stuff underneath the fingernails anymore. So this is Robo Wipe. I believe it's available at the Clayway, maybe Walgreens or Walmart or whatever. I mean, I'm sure you've been there before. You look like you get most of the stuff there. But anyways, here you go, Robo Wipe. You heard it here first, Clayway. Clayway. What do you think of that? Well, I would think she's probably got people for that, man. I don't think we're ever going to have people for things like that, but who knows? I don't even understand why she has money, but hey, who am I to judge? I don't have any money, and, you know, I probably have just as much skill as her in my middle finger. Anyways, I hope you folks actually got a little laugh out of that and even learned something about your automobile that you did not know and how stuff functions. Here on the Clayway, we not only show you how to do things, but we explain to you why you're doing them. We're going to fix that problem in the future, so today we'll leave it at that. If you like what I'm doing, please slap that join button, send us some donations so we can make some more great videos, and hopefully I can get some new equipment. Remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. If you've got a question for me, you can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook Messenger. I'll help everyone I possibly can with anything that I possibly can. I can't help you with your baby mama drama, but I may be able to help you fix that ride. Please consider subscribing, clicking them notifications, sharing them videos. Sharing them videos is really good. Clicking that thumbs up. Remember, we only make about 0.2 of a cent per view on these videos, so turn that computer down, open up that laptop at night while you're sleeping, put on one of the sweet Clayway playlists, and let them suckers play from front to back. Remember, don't be the next to them. Be the first to you, and if anyone else can do it, I promise you, you can do it too. God bless, folks. Have the best of days. I gotta get back to work. I can't be revving it up like Cardi like a Harley. What a dumbass verse.